Good day everyone. We were gonna show you how does file sharing work. First you need to do is to right click the mouse and left click the new and folder, and you rename it by your first name or last name. So I'm gonna put mine first name, and you gonna do it too in the second computer where you gonna share the file. New folder, name it. Oops. Okay. Like that. You next step is you gonna right click your new folder and then choose properties, this, left click it, and you will see a different kind of tabs here like general, sharing, security, previous version, customize. You're gonna choose the sharing because next step is you're gonna click the advanced sharing, this. If your computer asks for password, then I don't know what is that. Type the password. Yes, and click yes. And next step is you're gonna click the share this folder in the top like this, and you're gonna choose the permission tab and full control if you want to, if you want your shared partner to control your file. Then apply, everyone apply and okay, then apply again and okay. Okay, we now they have the advanced sharing. The second thing you need is you need to memorize or write this on your paper or something, because this gonna be the like password in the next computer if you want to open the file in the second computer. The next step is gonna click the share, and you're gonna see this arrow down here and click that and click everyone, then add, click the read and read and write and share. Same as the second computer, you need to do that. And sharing, setting, type password, images. Share this folder. Each one's. Okay. Okay. Share. Now, how to share the file? First you need to do is open the file explorer of your computer. Oops. Computer. And find the network. This network. The network. This network. And right click the network and click the map network drive. And for this you need to enter you need to choose a blank letter here, this A to Z letters. You need to choose a blank. So you can put your file name there. Like I wanna choose A folder. Now you're gonna enter this. You're gonna enter the same host host name li- lately on our tutorial. Um, wait, slash host to pc slash like that, and next step is you will click the finish. You know your folder is right if your folder is empty like this. Now, how to know if your file is on your desktop screen or home screen? First, click the minimize, and if your folder is not appear here, then you didn't share a file. Now, you get back to it and right click. If you want a file right there, click new and choose your file you want to share, like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, or etc. etc. But I'm gonna use the Microsoft Word document. Like I would rename it like my name. This, and know how you would know if you share the file. You you will check it in the other computer if the file is right there, like this. uh, right, left click it, so you see the rename file that I make lately is right here, so I shared it. Same thing as here, you're gonna first file the fish, then right click new and rename it like my friend's first name, Julius. Now, shared it. Let's check in the other computer. Check it in the home. Nice. Now, now it's here. So, we do. So, so the last step is you will delete it. First is click this PC, right click the the file name, then delete. I'll disconnect. Disconnect. Now, after disconnect, go close this tab and refresh. Good. Same thing. Same thing as the other computer. Click this PC, right click the file name, disconnect, close the tab, and refresh. Now, how you gonna delete it? Right click the file name, the file, and delete. Now, it will ask you for the password. So type the password you enter earlier. Continue. It will ask for the password again, then type it again. Refresh. And it's finally deleted. Let's check. Oh, there's no files right here. Same thing as the other one. Click. Delete. Password. Password again. Refresh. Then it's done.